POTUS TFR.
Temporary flight restriction. It's because Aviator band is in Mount Pleasant, that's why. It's a TFR for everybody to stay away. Yeah. Good morning. This is November 22336. Yes, I had to revert back to come back to the airport, but I'm ready to leave now. Yes, thank you. Yes, everything is... Yeah, I'm waiting. He's going to get me the code. He knew me. I guess I must have told him. Okay, so maintain at or below 4,500. Squawk 3245. The frequency is 119.3. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mount Pleasant traffic, Cherokee. Departing runway 35. Heading north. Mount Pleasant. Second try. Airspeed is alive. Gauges are in the green. 60. Roll. And the bird is in front. Get away, get away, get away. Approach Cherokee 22336.
Number 22336, Charles, approach ident, Charles, altimeter 3005.
3005. Ident.
Number 22336, radar contact 2 miles northeast of Charleston International Airport. Maintain VFR. Proceed on course.
Proceed on course. Maintain VFR. Cherokee 22336. She warns me. See? Inside TFR.
POTUS TFR.
Temporary flight restriction. It's because Aviator band is in Mount Pleasant. That's why. It's a TFR for everybody to stay away. Yeah. And I believe I did this. I should have been rushed. I should have let the busy traffic in Mount Pleasant distract me because he was talking about TFR. I wasn't sure he was talking to me or to the other guy. Then I said, I'm going to shut him off because I'm talking on the phone. So I thought maybe the guy is behind me trying to get off, trying to depart. Okay, I got a warning for that bug. 4500.
You are on autopilot?
Yeah. 2974 Whiskey Foxtrot, Charles.
St. Mary's, Cherokee, turning final, runway 29, St. Mary's.
St. Mary's, 19 Kilo Sierra, turning left base number 2 behind the Cherokee for runway 29, St. Mary's. St. Mary's County traffic, Skyline 85 Mike is about 8 miles to the south. We'll be entering a left downwind for 29, St. Mary's.
November 336, looks like there's just the one now at your 12 o'clock in 2 miles, southwest bound 3,100 indicated.
See? Yeah. Traffic inside Cherokee 22336.
Alright, November 336, the radar service is terminated and squawk maintain VFR, frequency change approved. Besides that guy, there's just one aircraft a mile north of the field at 1,700. You have a good day.
You too, thanks for your help, Cherokee 22336. Squawk VFR now.
I'm going to keep you on that heading for about 15 miles for 67 Charlie and then have towards Sky Manor. Keep you clear of that mess up there.
07, it's a mess here. Here? Yeah. The mess.
Roger, 67 Charlie.
I have you as well, 734 asking for thank you.
So, we finally made it to Sky Manor from St. Mary's County.
Yes, from St. Mary's, before that
South Carolina, right?
In South Carolina. Mount Pleasant wasn't that pleasant, but in any case it was Mount Pleasant. And before that we came, of course, from Boca Raton. And now we are at Sky Manor, and I see a plant that I remember having sent to Bernie several times. Here we are at Sky Manor. This is actually my favorite restaurant when it comes to airports, without a doubt. I have sent so many videos, pictures from the outside, from the inside, to my son, to my family, to friends, and we're eating now the food, and really it's top notch. And it's whenever I go to any airport and a restaurant, I compare the food with the food over here, so that this is quite something. And we took a detour to get here.
Big detour.
Big detour. It was quite bumpy. There was a terrible traffic, planes all over the place. But here we are, and now my food is getting cold. So thank you very much. Let me eat.
She said, I'm hungry too. Look at my stuff. Looks good. We love to eat here, we love to come here, but the traffic was like a hornet's nest. Even the ATC told me that it's too bad I didn't have the cameras on at the time. But it was like every few seconds warns me about another plane. Sometimes about 2 or 3 planes that are heading my way. Same altitude as well. It's insane. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.
London traffic, Cherokee entering runway 27, departing northwest. Linden. Airspeed is alive. Gauges are in the green. 60. Roll. Approach Cherokee 22336.
22336, ident.
Ident 22336.
336, go ahead.
Request flight following to India, Alpha Golf, currently at 1,400 for 4,500.
Number 336, squawk 0332.
Squawk 0332, Cherokee 336.
Number 22336, radar contact 10 west and north at 1,600. You can start a climb to 4,500.
Climbing to 4,500, Cherokee 336.
2994, ILS 22 left.
Change the fuel.
Yeah, okay, I'm changing now. Thanks for reminding me.
Charlie 59, New York, correct ILS 22 left, altimeter 2994.
Left tank. Full pressure. Check. No pump. 60 gallons to go. Yeah, I should be able to make it. I mean, even 3 hours, it's 45 gallons. Usually with 1 hour, and I'm not doing 15, I'm doing 12. See? 11.
1532 New York, expect
So, should be okay all the way there anymore. So, this is the first time we're heading over the mountains, past Binghamton on the right somewhere. Anyway, how's the trip so far?
So far, so good.
Yeah. Make sure to knock on wood. Thank you, Gidon.
In Binghamton, you are in the middle of nowhere. Always bad weather.
Yeah.
Always depressive.
Yeah, and the tower is 118.5, 118, it's ready to go.
Cherokee 336, Twin Cessna traffic's no factor. Contact the tower, 118.5. Have a great day, sir.
118.5, you too, thank you. Cherokee 22336. Niagara Falls Tower, Cherokee 22336, about 5 miles southeast. Inbound, full stop with information uniform.
Cherokee 22336, Niagara Tower, runway 28 right, cleared to land, wind 310 at 5, altimeter 29 or 907.
28 right, clear to land, Cherokee 22336.
November 22336, no need to acknowledge as you approach the runway, there is a long operation in the runway safety area, the left side of runway at the approach end.